Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to change name in Facebook. So, let's get started. First things first, open Facebook and make sure that you are logged in the account. To change your name, you have to click on bottom right corner menu option. Once you are in the menu settings, swipe down and click on Settings and Privacy. A drop-down menu will appear. From there, click on Settings. Then click on the Meta Account Center. After this, click on your profiles. Now you are in profiles, click on your profile. After this, you will see name, username, profile picture, and avatar. You can change all these things if you want to. We have to change names, so click on name section. Now you can also change your first, middle, and last name. Change any of the names and then click on review changes. And there you have it, folks. That's how you change name in Facebook. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching. We will see you in the next video.